There are multiple configurations of heatsinks being used for AMD processors. The two most common configurations are shown here, the clip heatsink and the screw-type heatsink. Both heatsinks have a thermal interface material pre-applied on the bottom. This material is protected by a clear plastic cover. Visually inspect the thermal interface material and carefully remove the plastic cover. Do not use the heatsink if the thermal material has scratches or gaps. To install the clip heatsink, center it over the retention frame, aligning the heatsink clips with the socket mounting lugs. Carefully place the heatsink on the processor, keeping it centered in the retention frame. Attach the spring clip under the cam handle first. This may require some force. Make sure the second retention clip is aligned with the plastic lug on the retention frame, and carefully push straight down on the clip. This may require more force than the first side. Ensure the cam handle is locked into the retention frame. To install the screw-type heatsink, center the heatsink over the retention frame, aligning the heatsink clips with the socket mounting lugs. Install the screws into designated holes on each side of the heatsink. Tighten the screws in an alternating fashion to prevent overloading of one side of the heatsink. The heatsink should be torqued to a specification of 6 to 8 inch-pounds. After installation of either heatsink, connect its fan power lead to the proper connector on the motherboard. Check the installation completely to make sure the heatsink is installed correctly before starting the system. Power on the system and verify that the processor heatsink fan is turning at a rapid rate. If the fan is spinning at a slow rate or not spinning at all, power down the system immediately to avoid any thermal damage.